Welcome to Hannah Tips. Easy fixes for snoring. 1. Change your sleep position. Lying on your back makes the base of your tongue and soft palate collapse to the back wall of your throat, causing a vibrating sound during sleep. Sleeping on your side may help prevent this. 2. Lose weight. Weight loss helps some people but not everyone. If you've gained weight and started snoring and did not snore before you gained weight, weight loss may help. 3. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol and sedatives reduce the resting tone of the muscles in the back of your throat, making it more likely you'll snore. 4. Open nasal passages. If snoring starts in your nose, keeping nasal passages open may help. Your nasal passages work similarly. If your nose is clogged or narrowed due to a cold or other blockage, the fast-moving air is more likely to produce snoring. 5. Change your pillows. Dust mites accumulate in pillows and can cause allergic reactions that can lead to snoring. Put your pillows in the air fluff cycle once every couple weeks, replace them every 6 months to keep dust mites and allergens to a minimum. And keep pets out of the bedroom. 6. Practice good sleep hygiene. Working long hours without enough sleep, for example, means when you finally hit the sack you're overtired. You sleep hard and deep, and the muscles become floppier, which creates snoring. Overall, get enough sleep, sleep on your side, avoid alcohol before bedtime and take a hot shower if nasal passages are clogged. These simple practices can make a huge difference in reducing snoring. Thanks for watching. Click on the link in the description box for additional information. If you like this video then please do share and like. For more video to make your life great, please subscribe to our channel.